everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO22 Excel Chapter 11 Prepare Financial Analysis Part 1.0. In its project description, you will know what you need to do. We will move to our first step. In our first step, what he is asking, start Excel, download and open file name Excel Chapter 11 Prepare Financial Analysis Part B. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are sorting the file. That's our first step. I have already opened this file. That's our file Excel Chapter 11 Prepare Financial Analysis Part B. We will move to our second step. Our second step is, in addition to analyzing possible expansion finance option from bank manager at the Turquoise Spa would like to analyze some possible investment opportunity to help finance the expansion and generate revenue in the long term on the present and future value worksheet. So we will move to present. That's our present and future value worksheet. Calculate the coupon payment annually of the investment from the bank representative. So we will move to our cell B8. We need to find the coupon payment. We will put is equal to coupon payment will be face value multiplied by coupon rate. So our face value is the B5 multiplied by coupon rate is B6, and we will press enter. So we will got our value in our cell C8. That's our formula for to find the coupon payment annually. So that's our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Excel assignment, peer word assignments, PowerPoint assignment or assess assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. We will move to our third step. The first step in determining whether or not this is worthy investment is to calculate the present value of the investment. In the cell B10, calculate the present value of the investment from the bank representative. So we will go to our cell B10. That's our cell B10. We will use a present value function PV. That's our present value function. What is he asking? He is asking for rate. What is our rate? Our rate is yield to maturity YTM. That's our rate. And what is the again thing is NPR. Our NPR is divided by 12. And what is the PMT? Coupon payment is our PMT. And at the end, what is the face value? Face value is our cell in our cell B5. What is he asking for? Face value, it's in our cell B5. We will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got the value in the negative. So we will make this one B8 as a negative and B5 also a negative. So our values will be positive. We will press enter. So you see we have got our positive value in our cell B10. That's our third step. We will move to our fourth step. Our fourth step is Stark Oasis Spa Manager are considering investment money that would be provided by the private investor. This would require them to wait for 5 years to allow the investment to grow. Payment and interest will be calculated quarterly. In this exercise, you will use the FV function to help to the manager to make their decision for determining cash flow. The calculation will be from the cash representative. In cell B16, reference the present value cell as a total investment. So we will go to the cell B16. That's our cell B16. And what he is asking for present value, we need to reference is as a present value. So our present value is in the cell B10. We will put is equal to B10 and press enter. So we have got our total contribution in the cell B16. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is the future value function or FV function is used to calculate the value of investment with the fixed investment rate and term, as well as calculate periodic payment over a specific period of time. In the cell B17, calculate the future value of investment for the bank representative. Use the present value for the previous step in your calculation. So we will move to our cell B17. We will move to our cell B17. We will use here as a FV function. Start our bracket. Our rate is in the cell interest rate. That's our interest rate. NPR is 5 years over 12. What is our PMT value? Its total contribution. Its PMT will be present value, and in the PV we use total contribution, and we will use end of the period as a type and close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our future value in our cell. We will edit this formula. Maybe we have got something wrong in this formula. I will make it clear. In our this cell rate cell, we will use B9 by 4 and our multiplied by 4. So we will find our quarterly payment and we will press enter. So we have got our result. Here in the B13 we will use 0 and B16 negative. Press enter. So we have got our future value in the cell B17 by using this formula B9 by 4, that is our yield to maturity YTM percentage by 4, band B14 multiplied by 4, that is the term, and 0 and minus B16 as a total contribution, and 0 at the end for a n type, and press enter. So we will get our result in our cell. So that's our fifth step. We have total 19 steps in this assignment. I have performed 5 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, Or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you want to deal for the complete course, you can contact me also. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates.